Alright guys, I'm back with another one. So this one is how to clean your engine. Whichever car you got, it don't matter what kind of car you got, this is how you gonna clean your engine. Uh, 4 easy steps, bro. The first step, you gotta get you some of this. Cool? They got this one and they got the other one called Purple Power, but I'm using this one right now. Alright? And you gotta just spray it all over the engine. So I took off the cap. This is a BMW 2014 BMW. So while you spray it out, you got the engine off. Cool? The ignition got to be off. So I spray everywhere. Everywhere you can see dirt and grime and dust and grease and all that. Everywhere in the whole engine, I just sprayed out like that. You know what I mean? On these parts, all that. See what I mean? You make sure you catch every single inch where there's dirt. And sometimes I do like this. I spray it on the headlight and it takes off the yellow stuff. Quick sauce. Lots of people didn't know that. Alright? So that's why y'all should make sure you go hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, comment, leave me a like. Just tell me what you like about these videos and tell me what you want me to do. If you want me to do more videos, what kind of videos you guys want to see, all that. You know what I mean? This is AD Gen and I run a used car dealership. So I'll be showing you on this channel all my ins and outs, everyday stuff, what I do throughout the day to keep the dealership going. You know what I mean? So yeah, spray this car fully out everywhere. Gets sprayed out. I also put it on the tires too. Get the grease off and the dirt. I also spray it on the tires and the rims. And I go right around with it. Cool. All the tires and the rims on the insides. And you just let it soak. So when it's time to spray it off with the power wash, it just blows everything off. You know what I mean? Alright. So I'm gonna do the other two wheels and get back to the engine. There we go. Do this one like that. Right around. Whole thing. You know what I mean? Change hands because this hand getting tired now squeezing this thing, this trigger. Hey, works your muscle, man. Alright. Spray it all over there. Alright. Now we're gonna set up the power wash and I'm gonna show you um the next step. Alright, so I got the power wash set up, right? The first thing you wanna do before you start putting any water in the car is start it. So let's go it over. After you spray the engine out with the engine degreaser and you were ready to start blowing it out with the power wash and it's all water, nothing else, just water. You need to start the engine and have the motor running before you start putting any water in there. Because then you're going to have troubles if you don't got that motor running. Alright, so I'm going to set this up right here, so y'all can see what I'm doing. how can I set this up so it doesn't fall? Ah. Alright, got a clear view of what I'm doing. And I got my mic here so you guys can hear me properly. So we just start blowing it out. And if you notice the motion of my hand, meaning you never let the hose stay in one spot for too long, because then you're going to get too much water in it and you don't want to flood your engine. So I go side and side and across. And you stand at one section first. You stand to the left first of the car, so you know you get everything on the left side. Close this door. You get everything that's facing you to the left side of the car. Alright? Just blow them out like that. And as I said, you keep the hose moving, keep the water moving, so you don't put too much water in one spot. Keep it going like that. And when you're standing on the left side of the car now, you're blowing everything that's facing you from the right. So at the end of it, you got everywhere clean on all angles. You want to blow out under the hood right here too. You want to leave that. Good. Yeah, I see lots of ads on the ads showing steam, how to clean your engine with steam and all that. But I might try it one day. But for now, I'm gonna stick to the old way. Give it another run. So after I do it like that first, I like to give it another look over, see if there's any parts I missed. So you can see I missed some little spots right there. Alright, let me show you. See, I missed those right there. So I'm gonna take the degreaser, I'm gonna spray it down there. And I'm gonna give right here another little spray with the degreaser. That should be it. Everything else looks okay. So you see the difference with the engine? Clean. You know what I mean? And after I do this, I like to go in the car and give it a like 2 soft revs. You know what I mean? But yeah. So I'm gonna pause the video now and I'm gonna give it another spray and then I'll come back. So yeah, I gave it a second, another blowout from them little spots I showed you right there, and as you can see now, you see, clean. Yup. This right here. And a link to this will be in the description. You can check the description. You go buy it from my link, and that will help support the channel for me to bring you better content. All right, and that's my affiliates link. And if you made it so far into the video, please remember, go like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and drop me a comment, bro. Tell me how you like this video. Tell me what else you want to see, how better I can, what else I can do to improve the video and the content and your experience. You know, I like to blow it out a little air, make sure we ain't got no water up in these parts right here, electrical parts. I'm giving them a good blowout, blow them switches and all that. And then after I do that, then I'm gonna give him a healthy dose of WD-40. So what the WD-40 does is wherever water got, if there's any water residue, the WD-40 will lubricate it and make sure we ain't got no rust or nothing like that in the engine, alright? So before I put the WD-40 in there, I give it like 2 revs, and you check on your engine, make sure there's no engine check lights after you done washing the engine. And then I shut it off. And then I'm gonna drop this WD-40. I got the big blast, so this covers a wide area. You know what I mean? And I do it too to make it look good. It makes the engine shine and pretty. You know what I mean? All the black parts of the motor looks clean and nice after you're done. So I like to do that too. So it's not just for the rust, but I use it to make the engine look sparkling, shiny, clean. You know what I mean? I put it everywhere. Yeah, so that's one of my secrets. If y'all stay tuned, keep watching my videos. As I said, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so every time I drop a new content, you guys get it. You'll see a lot more sauces, man. A lot more stuff I do to make my cars look good. And y'all might learn something. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's how you wash an engine, bro. No mistakes. And got your engine running after you done. No flood the engine. Everything up and running, man. Here we go. Clean. Everywhere. Get some on the battery terminal here. Yep. That's it. So I'm gonna wash the rest of the car. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and thanks for sticking around, alright? I really appreciate it.